Welcome to CertiPUR. Have you ever woken up feeling like you were hit by a truck, wondering why your expensive bed is doing your back absolutely no favors? Today, we are taking a deep dive into the EGOHOME Plush King Size Mattress 14-inch memory foam mattress. If you are struggling with back pain, tossing and turning all night from overheating, or simply tired of feeling your partner rolling around every time they change positions, this might just be the upgrade you have been waiting for. Let us unbox this bed in a box and find out if it lives up to the heavy promises. First, let us talk about the setup process because convenience is everything these days. This king-size mattress arrives rolled and compressed inside a surprisingly manageable box. Bringing a king mattress up the stairs can usually be an Olympic sport, but the mattress in a box design makes it significantly easier to handle. You just drag it to your bedroom, unroll it on your platform bed or frame, and watch it decompress. The brand recommends giving it anywhere from 24 to 72 hours to reach its absolute peak form and firmness. When we tested it, the expansion was rapid, and while there was a mild new mattress smell right out of the plastic, it dissipated quickly within a day. Once it is fully expanded, the 14-inch profile gives it a very substantial, premium look. You are not dealing with a thin pad here. You get a thick, multi-layered foam structure that feels luxurious. The top layer features a thoughtful and elegant feather pattern design on the cover. Beyond just looking nice, the ultra-soft fabric is remarkably gentle against the skin. Even better, the cover is fully removable and machine-washable, which is a massive win for anyone who loves keeping their sleeping environment fresh and allergen-free without breaking a sweat. Now, let us get into the core technology inside this mattress. One of the biggest complaints people have with memory foam is that it traps heat and turns into a literal sauna by 3 in the morning. EGOHOME tackled this issue by incorporating a breathable egg crate design coupled with a gel-infused foam layer. This combination actively enhances airflow and regulates your body temperature. Throughout our testing, the mattress did a commendable job of dissipating heat, keeping things neutral and comfortable across changing seasons. When you lie down, the comfort and support profile becomes immediately apparent. This mattress is engineered with layered gel memory foam and high-density support foam. What that means for you is balanced support. Whether you sleep on your back, your side, or your stomach, the foam adapts to the natural curves of your body. If you suffer from back pain, the targeted support helps keep your spine properly aligned, pressure points are relieved, and you do not sink in uncomfortably deep. Another standout feature is motion isolation. If you share your bed with a restless partner, or maybe a couple of energetic pets, you know how annoying motion transfer can be. The dense memory foam layers absorb kinetic energy remarkably well. When one person tosses or gets out of bed, the other side remains undisturbed, ensuring a much deeper and more restful sleep cycle. Safety and peace of mind are also a major priority here. The foam used in this mattress is CertiPUR-US certified, and the cover is Ecotech certified. This means it is completely free from harmful chemicals, heavy metals, and formaldehyde, giving you a healthier indoor air quality in your bedroom. Plus, the company backs this product with a worry-free 10-year limited warranty, showing a high level of confidence in their manufacturing quality. Let us weigh the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Starting with the pros. The cooling fresher sleep technology actually works, preventing night sweats. The 14-inch thickness offers incredible plush support that drastically reduces back pain. Motion isolation is top-notch, meaning zero partner disturbance. The removable and machine-washable cover makes maintenance a breeze. And the CertiPUR-US certification guarantees a safe, chemical-free sleep environment. On the con side, since this is a plush memory foam mattress, extreme stomach sleepers who prefer a rock-hard surface might find it slightly too soft. Also, you do need to wait up to 72 hours for full expansion before getting the ultimate feel. Lastly, the sheer weight of a 14-inch king mattress means you will definitely want a second person to help maneuver it during unboxing. Wrapping things up, the EGOHOME Plush King Size Mattress punches way above its weight class. It delivers luxury hotel comfort, genuine pain relief, and intelligent cooling features without demanding a luxury price tag. If you want to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of deep, uninterrupted rest, this is a phenomenal option to consider. Link in the description.